Well, welcome back, everyone. You know, nearly 1,400 infants die each year from SIDS. And so here to explain that, we have Amy Becker. She's the OB nurse manager for Grand Lake Health System. And also Tracy Smith. She's a committee chair for SIDS Walk and Run. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
All right. So first of all, can you explain what is SIDS?
Sure. So SIDS stands for Sudden Infant Death Syndrome, which is the sudden unexplained death of an infant under 1 year of age.
All right. So we, a lot of SIDS, we hear about safe sleep. Why is safe sleep important?
So even though we don't know what causes SIDS, safe sleep is important because it reduces the risk of a SIDS event. So if you're trying to remember what safe sleep is, you just want to think of the ABCs, which is babies should sleep alone, on their back, and in their crib.
Okay, so the ABC, so first one is alone, and the B is on their back, and then C is in their crib. So that's pretty easy to remember, A, B, C. So there we go. So in addition to safe sleep practices, are there any other things that can reduce the risk of SIDS?
Yeah, there are. So some other things that reduce the risk of SIDS are breastfeeding your baby, not smoking when you're pregnant, and not smoking around baby after it's born. Regular prenatal care for the mom is important. And then once baby's born, keeping those regular well child appointments, and also making sure that that baby gets its regular scheduled vaccines is important as well. Another step that can help reduce the risk of SIDS is using a pacifier once baby's breastfeeding is established, which usually happens around 3 to 4 weeks of age.
Okay, and is there some place that someone can go to learn more about SIDS prevention and maybe safe sleep practices?
Yeah, absolutely. So the American Academy of Pediatrics website has a lot of information about SIDS and safe sleep practices, and so does the CDC website and also safetosleep.org. They're all wealth of information about SIDS and safe sleep. And then another way to learn more about SIDS awareness would be to attend our 5K that we're holding on October 12th, which is to raise SIDS awareness.
Yeah, I was just going to ask you about this 5K.
Yeah.
Very important because that's a great way for the public to learn more about this. So you said this is on October the 12th. Can you tell us more about this?
Yes, it's going to be on Saturday at the Millstream Shelter House in St. Mary's, and we walk through town and out through Casey Geiger Park. It's a 5K, so it's 3.1 miles. We encourage runners, walkers, and it's a family friendly event.
All right, so, it's a good location. It's right there in St. Mary's. It's a beautiful location, actually. And you get a lot of nature, you get the exercise. Are there going to be, maybe members of staff from the hospital maybe there to answer any questions? Or can you tell us more about that?
Yes, we have several volunteers that help with this event along the race trail. Do you have a water stop? And then throughout the event, there's signs on the trail that talk about safe sleep facts all throughout. So when you're taking your walk or taking a run, you're going to see those tidbits all throughout the trail.
Ah, nice. So not only do you get exercise, good fun with the community, but you also get educated while you're on the 5K walk and run. So that's a good event. So once again, that's on October the 12th. What time does that start?
Registration starts at 8 and the event starts at 9.
All right, so we'll have to go there. I don't live that far from St. Mary's, so if I get a chance to, I'm going to join you, okay?
We'd be glad to see you.
All right, well, I want to thank you so much for coming on today, sharing your knowledge. I appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much.
All right, well, don't go away because we have more when we return.